Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tower Defense Devlog. This week, you're going to finish off Milestone 7, which means I need to finish the sounds, get the animations in, and fix up the particles. And we're going to do all that this week, using Unity and using some assets I found online, which I can use legally.
You are now listening to Peachy.
Hey everyone. So yesterday we finished doing up all the music stuff, and I'm using an asset from OpenGameArt, I believe, called Mystical Theme. I'll link it all down below. But yeah, rather than me make music, which is something I just can't do at all, well, not now anyway, I thought it'd be better, considering what this type of game is going to be, which is more another tech demo similar to the football game, that I don't need to spend hours and hours making music. I'm just going to get a free asset of music, credit it all, and put it up, and that's what we're going to do. So what I'm doing for the rest of today, and probably tomorrow as well, is juicing up the particle system a little bit. And by that I mean adding more particle effects in the game where necessary. One of the ones I'm going to focus on getting is a tower placement one down to like dust appearing, which will look quite nice I think. So I'm going to get to work on that, and we'll catch back up when that's all done. Hey everyone. So, I've been working hard these past 2 days getting the particles and sound sorted out, and it's pretty nice. So I'll show you what the particles look like. We've added enemy spawning, enemy dying, tower placement, tower removement, enemies like hitting the player base, and they look pretty good. So here's a tower placement one. There's a death one, so I made it so it's just like kind of like parts of the body just kind of like spawns out of nowhere. So then let's just watch these ones get there, and you'll see what happens when they die. So it spawns these little particles as well. So what's good about now is we've got another essence. I can just spawn a tower in here. So we have this, and then we'll refund it, and I'll show you what those particles look like. So like that. I kind of made it like orange, like they're kind of like blowing up, which I think is quite cool. And on top of all that, I thought maybe some PCs are a bit lower down, and they can't run the particles, maybe. I'm not sure how much they will affect it. I mean, they'll start at the moment 200 FPS. So what you can do is you can go into the options and you can turn particles off. Now this will require a restart to actually see a change, but all the particles will be turned off and you can play the game without particles, which should hopefully save on some performance. With that, we have one more task to do for this milestone. I've got the rest of today, and it's 6 PM already, so I don't want to be working for too much longer, and most of tomorrow to do, which is adding animations. However, tomorrow I'm going out to a board game cafe. Expect some footage of that. But so yeah, we'll try and get some animations done. I'm going to be using Mixamo. Because this game's going to be a technical demo, I'm not going to spend hours and hours trying to perfect these animations. I'm going to get the enemy rig it up in Mixamo, and then just give an animation for it, and we'll be done.
You could be scratching about me.
Hey everyone. So it's been a good few days now. I've been working productively on getting the animation set up. And I did it. I was going to use Mixamo and just put the rig in and do that. But they didn't turn out great, and honestly, I wasn't sure how to get them into Unity properly because it would export them as a new mesh, and I didn't want to do that. I wanted it to be its own thing. So then I was like, should I just try Unity's animation? And I did, and it worked really well. So I'm going to show you how that looks. There's going to be one wave and then the boss wave, because the boss has a new mechanic now where he doesn't die when he gets to your base, he just continually damages it over time, because I'm saying like he's boxes punching your base. Here's the little enemy, so if we just zoom in on him, you can see he's walking around. And that's basically the only animations I had to do for the other enemies other than the boss. So we're going to get there, and oh no, a bit more damage, 1.5. That's alright. Here we have the boss. I made it so his particles are affected by the option as well, because I forgot he has some in the eye. So he's going to walk over very slowly. So here he is, he's right by the base now. We're going to see what he does. So he stops here and he starts punching. I mean, it kind of looks like he's dancing, but it's kind of funny just in the same way. But yeah, so he punches your base, and as you can see, every like other second, you take like 5 damage. That's not going to make it impossible to be in, he's just going to be quite hard. So you just need to make sure you have enough towers around this area to target him and hopefully paralyze him if you can. But yeah, that was basically everything I've gotten done. The milestone is now completed. So the next one I'm working on is doing polish and making a level. And I'm going to be working that off camera just because I don't think it's going to be that fun to record. So what I'll do is I'll work on it off camera and then I'll just do a catch up showing you, because I believe once this milestone, the next one's done, I think the game's ready for release, because obviously it's only a demo. So it's going to be released and you'll all be able to play it and tell me what you think of this short, very short game demo. Thank you everyone for watching, I really hope you've enjoyed. Make sure you stay safe, wear a mask if you can, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.